Hey guys, this is Lida from the Sypnotix. NVIDIA has just released their beta version of GeForce Now on Chromebooks. We decided to test out playing some AAA titles on a $250 Lenovo Chromebook. Let's take a look. So the first thing you are going to do is go to your Chrome browser and enter play.geforcenow.com. If you already have an NVIDIA GeForce account, you can go ahead and log in right here. It takes a hot second to load. If you don't have an account, you can make an account right here. So the screen that you're entering on is the dashboard or the welcome screen. Once you log in, you can kind of see what they're advertising on the top nav bar right here. And then right below is your library section. So you can go ahead and add or remove games from your library here. You can also read the description, some extra settings, and then you can also scroll through different screenshots of that game as well. So as a sample, I went ahead and just removed that game. And as you keep scrolling, there's different sections. There's that featured section, sales and special offers, free to play, and indie spotlight. And I'm going to go ahead and just click see more on this featured section right here. There's 174 games in this portion of the library. So they are continuing to add a lot of games here. You can see there's Rogue Company, Steep, Stationeers, FTL, Unfortunate Spacemen, and it tells you to play this game, you must own it on Steam. It also tells you if you have to own it on Epic Games as well, and you'll be prompted to log in once you launch the game. I'll go ahead and show that to you later though. But this is a very big selection. They even have Cuphead on here, and there's a lot that you can select from in here, and they're going to keep expanding the library. So this is really cool so far. And they have a bunch of these free to play games. You can see Destiny 2 is on there. I'm going to go ahead and launch Hitman. Oh, and there's also a search section as well. I'm going to go ahead and launch Hitman, and I'm currently on the free version, which gives you standard access and 1 hour session lengths. So on the free version, you do have to wait for the next available rig, and it gives you an estimated wait time here. This is going to take 42 minutes, but I've seen the average take about 20 in between games. And I'm going to go ahead and load it right here. Oh, and there's also a founder's membership as well. NVIDIA is saying it's a limited time offer, but for $4.99 a month, you get priority access and extended session lengths as well. So I did want to mention that. And the game is loading right now. It's pretty quick to load once you get launched into that rig. And what's very cool is that once you launch the game, it goes into full screen. So you can come in, go ahead and change and select the settings that you want it to, and let's go. So as the game is loading, there was just a little bit of a skip there as that helicopter was making its way over us, but overall, it seems pretty smooth so far. You can see that snow falling. I'm using my mouse to rotate to change that camera control as I pan, and it's very smooth so far, minimal lag. I'm going to go ahead and use my keyboard now to move my character. And just to give you some background, I'm playing on the Lenovo Ideapad 3 Chromebook, which retails for $250. So this is definitely a budget laptop. It's got an Intel Celeron processor and 4 gigabytes of RAM. So this is by no means a high-end Chromebook or laptop. And as it's loading chapters, you can kind of see that it's loading pretty quickly, and with very, very minimal frame drops. And this is still the tutorial portion of it, but what we're seeing here is that the colors look good, everything looks clear, movement for the characters Even those shadows, everything looks really smooth so far. First impressions are pretty darn good. Hardly textbook, but I suppose fieldwork never is. Tell me, what did it feel like? Taking lives? Random. Disordered. Are you sure about this? I am. So now we are moving into the first mission of the game. I have to locate the target in Instinct. As I'm moving around here, again, even though there's a lot of action going on in screen, it's very smooth. My movement is very clean, very clear. And as I'm moving my mouse, moving my character on my keyboard, it's a very seamless experience. And I cannot tell on first impressions that I am playing on a $250 Chromebook. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and vault over this right here because I need to subdue the mechanic. And I'm going to sneak up and do it very quietly. Oh! Okay, and I'm also going to go ahead and steal his clothes too because why not? That's a first. And I think I need to get rid of his body. So I'm going to go ahead and move his body and hide it somewhere. So I'm going to try to just hide it here so far, but I think they tell me that I probably shouldn't do that. Let's see. And I'm going to save the game. So you can save the game in between and it also auto saves, but even that is a very seamless experience. And I should probably keep hiding the body before I get caught. So let's go ahead and put this guy, ooh, we can snap his neck, but let's go ahead and put him in the bathroom. And let's open the door and drag him in there. And for the sake of it, let's also just make sure we hide him in the closet too. And he looks really heavy. But honestly, you guys, this is a very seamless, very smooth experience. I am not noticing any lag at all. I definitely want to keep checking this out with other games like Fortnite. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's very cool that I don't have to, take hours to install the game and save it there. So as you can see, you can definitely play games on Chromebooks. This is a game changer. Once again, I'm Lida from the Sypnotix. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and be sure to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! So the other day, I was on a Zoom call at work, and I just dropped everything I was saying, and I told them, subscribe.